Tech Q&A. You can ask me your questions, and I don't know if the live Tech Q&A has started already or not. So it's showing starting stream health. So hey guys, Sanjay here, and this is our live Tech Q&A episode number 8, and continuously we are doing it on Sunday or sometimes Saturday according to Sunday's event. So I do not see anyone right now. People are not online. I don't know why, because I was expecting few people right now. So let's hope that everyone comes and everyone is not watching the final match. If everyone else is watching the match, then it's going to be a little difficult for me. So no questions yet. I have enabled the live chat. 0 watching now. Oh my god, that's something different, and I had not experienced this earlier. Oh seriously, 0 watching now? Am I even live? Okay, it says live stream health is good. I even tweeted about it, so I don't know yet. So I'll talk about something which is random maybe. Okay, so I'm going to talk about something. Okay, 5 people are watching now, so that's a good sign. Finally someone is live. So hey guys, you can ask me questions now. Hi Lakhan. And as I have the chance to talk about anything, because there are no questions, I'll talk about maybe let's talk about new thing that I'm going to start on the channel. So the new thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to start reviewing accessories like keyboards, then Wi-Fi adapters, then major earphones. I have so many earphone reviews pending as of now. I don't know, at least maybe 5 to 6 of them. So I'm going to start reviewing them, and yes, I will be reviewing smartphones also, but I will make sure that I review some accessories or gadgets which are must have and which are the best in class. So this Wi-Fi adapter from TP-Link, it's just around 500 rupees, so it's really small, as you can see over here. Really small adapter. You just have to plug it into your USB port on desktop, and it will use the Wi-Fi connection, and you don't need to use the LAN port of your desktop. So that's surely a great thing. Lakhan Oja has asked the first question, that is, Dhananjay, I am studying in class 12 commerce. Tell me about career options in smartphone and tech. Class 12 in commerce, you can do BMM, that's mass media, and then go into media which is related to tech, like NDTV Gadget Guru or something like that. So MI5 versus OnePlus 2 versus Utopia. Utopia is out of the question. MI5 and OnePlus 2. I have not used MI5 yet, but I think that, or I'm pretty much sure that it's going to be a good device. But with 3 GB of RAM and 25k price, and OnePlus 2 comes with 23,000 rupees price, and 4 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 810 is not at all bad in my opinion. So it's going to be really difficult, but let me get my hands on MI5, which should be happening before the next live tech Q&A, because the sale is on 6th, and our next live tech Q&A is going to be on 10th. So let's hope. If I get my hands on till then I will tell you guys about that. M3 कैसे clear किया? Oh, Kavit Vichivora is asking this question. M3 means Maths 3 in Mumbai University. So how did I clear M3? I did not clear it in first attempt. I cleared it in second attempt. So yeah, that's how it is. I don't know. Don't ask me maths question. Aren't you interested in the match? I am really interested in the match, and I was planning to keep the live tech Q&A on Saturday because I thought that India will go into the finals, but India didn't. So I am quite interested, but already England has lost 2 wickets, maybe 3 by now. So that's why I am not that interested. Any trick for LE TV L1S battery drains fast? So no trick as of now, but what you can do is enable the battery saving options which are present in the LETV L1S over here. So the LETV L1S is switched off right now. So if you just go into power management, then you can enable high power saving mode, by which a lot of amount of juice can be saved, and I personally noticed that also. Any news on Redmi Note 3 open sale? It's not going to happen anytime soon. Yeah. You like Pokemon 2, right? Are you excited about Pokemon Go and Pokemon Sun and Moon? Oh my god, don't tell me am I interested in Pokemon or not. I am currently watching Pokemon only. Like most of the YouTube videos which I watch, like maybe 50% of the YouTube videos are Pokemon videos. I have no idea of why, and I am too much excited about Pokemon Go, and the main reason why I'm excited is because it's not just game which you will play staying at home. You will have to go outside and search for Pokemons, not Pokemons, but search for those things over there, and you will have to move around. That's why I am very, 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 very excited about Pokemon Go. Can I get MI Note 3, Redmi Note 3 32GB this time? Yes, you will be able to get it because all the color variants are available. Plus, I hope that the stocks are at higher level or higher value. Not higher value, the stocks are in large number. Are you excited for LG G5? I am not excited for LG G5 because I'm not going to get it, and it's like 50,000 rupees phone. Why not get 2 MI5 in that? Hey, anyone just joined this time early? Yeah, hi Sarthak, you are early this time. Varad is asking a very, very interesting question. Your thoughts on Tesla Model 3? So personally, I think electric cars is the future of cars, and it has to be because I literally hate petrol cars or diesel cars because pollution is like, which is one of the biggest thing, and if that car is not maintained properly and the CNG is not good and maintenance is not good, then so much of pollution is there. But when it comes to electric cars, there is nothing like pollution or something like that. Plus with Tesla cars, you get extremely high speed, like 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. That's amazing. Even though we cannot ride with that speed in Mumbai or most probably in whole India, but that's really amazing. And the battery life is also good, but the pricing, which is around $35,000 I guess, and which comes out around 23 lakhs, little bit on a higher side. Not higher side, you get amazing features for 23 lakh rupees. But when it comes to electric cars, and if you want to move it, if you want to make it like on a large scale, like everyone should use it, then in India at least you should the price should be around 5 lakhs maybe. Then most of the people will start using it. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult in India at least. Everyone doesn't have 35 lakhs, 23 lakhs at least. I hope you agree with this. Are you interested in studying? No, I'm not. Redmi Note 3 versus K4 Note. Redmi Note 3 any day. You can check out my video which I have made, the comparison between K4 Note and the Redmi Note 3, which will be linked, which is on my channel, so you can check it out. Which best phone available right now? Budget 60,000 rupees to buy phone. Galaxy S7 or S7 Edge maybe. So at 60,000, that's the best phone. Does heating damage the device? I don't think so that it damages the device. I'm using MI3 since more than a year now, and it has not damaged my device. It used to heat up a lot earlier, but it was fixed afterwards via OTO software updates, because Xiaomi doesn't like to have a device which doesn't heat up when it is launched. It likes to launch device which heats up a lot at the start, so people will hate it, and then they launch OT updates to fix that. So it's something like that. Spoiler alert, Batman almost I haven't watched it yet. Okay, Batman almost beats Superman. I know that, but my friend told me that. But how come Batman can beat Superman? Because Superman has unlimited power, at least theoretically. So I will have to watch movie for that maybe. MI5 can beat Lenovo Vibe X3. Maybe it can, maybe it cannot. I do not have Vibe X3, or I have not tested Vibe X3. Is cool, but the processor is not going to be the same. Even the Snapdragon 650 is better than Snapdragon 808 in benchmarks and some departments, and 820 is obviously far better than Snapdragon 808. Because of you, I lost my Moto X Play. Oh my god, how did you lose your Moto X Play? Did you recommend, do you recommend Moto X Style? Yes, I do recommend it, but the only problem with Moto X Style is that it doesn't have good battery life. It just has okay battery life, 4 hours to 4.5 hours of screen on time. भाऊ MI5 चा रिव्ह्यू करशील का? हो, नक्की करणार रे, फक्त फोन येऊ दे. Can you root that device? I do not know spread spectrum. I don't know if I can. Which mobile of Micromax is best in any range? I do not know any Micromax phone, so I do not know in any range. OnePlus 2 Marshmallow beta review plus battery review. I have not used it, so unfortunately I cannot give you the what you can say review. I was planning to keep the OnePlus 2 for myself, but after seeing that development on XDA is not going that great, I decided to sell it. So I sold it for 23.5k at that time when I bought the device. Sarthak is asking, do you think that this year OnePlus will come with a flagship which will not be a disappointment? Yes, I do think. Most probably OnePlus 2 was a disappointment because of the Snapdragon 810. Otherwise, pricing was amazing. Almost everything was amazing. Camera was also very good. It was not at its best, I wouldn't say it's the best, but it was really good. So OnePlus 3 is going to be amazing. Snapdragon 824 GB of RAM, 510 GPU. Then most probably the same sensor that Xiaomi is using. Most probably, let's see which camera sensor they have over there. And nowadays it's going to be about pricing and camera, because performance is almost great on every device. Devangsh no. Dev Karan is saying, hey bro. Okay, so my mom is calling me right now, so I'm just gonna hold it. I'm not gonna call her right now. Your all videos are great. Thank you for that. Now the question, my OnePlus 2 screen flashes at any point of time and the brightness goes down, and after a few seconds it again goes back. Is there a solution for this? Maybe try a factory reset or try to update your device to the latest build. And if you have updated your device to the latest build, try a factory reset, and even after that the problem is occurring again and again, then just go to the service center and get it fixed. How is the screen toughness of Redmi Note 3? It's really awesome, no issues whatsoever. As you can see, I am using it without any scratch guard over here, and it has not got any type of scratches. So okay, that was my mom's call, and it's not focusing right now. So as you can see, there are no scratches whatsoever. So, and I'm using it without scratch guard and not like using it lightly or something like that. I keep it wherever I want. Even the back panel is pretty clean as of now. There are no scratches. So as you can see, there are no scratches. And in the here is one scratch that I have got. Maybe you guys cannot see that as of now, but yeah, only one scratch, that too very harshly. Taha is saying, I'm really disappointed with Xiaomi MFI because I wanted 64 GB and 128 GB model. Will it be available? Yes, 64 GB should be available. I don't know when, but it should be available in maybe in next 2 years. In 2 years, it will be surely available in India. And 32 GB, that too white color in this sale, and they are saying that white other color variant sale will be on next sale. Let's hope that happens. भाई तुम्हारा हिंदी रिव्यू आया नहीं, कब आएगा? शेख अहमद is asking this question. Bro, unfortunately I am not able to make videos for the channel right now because I am working on my final year project and then exams, final sem. So after this I will be like making, oh my god, number of videos, and let's wait for my exams to get complete. I will be making those videos after that. And my brother is not working for me. Like I was hoping that he will do videos for me after his 12th exams are done, but he is not helping me, so unfortunately less number of videos as of now. Are you a full-time YouTuber? Gayan is asking this question. I am not a full-time YouTuber as of now. I am studying engineering. Pankaj is asking, what gadget would you buy under 800 for testing? I can ship to your address and then after you can ship back to me. Oh my god, that's so nice of you, Pankaj. For 800 rupees, you are too generous for that. I would say I would buy any type of earphone, and it's okay if you do not ship it. If you have this kind of, if you want to buy something from me, hit me up on Twitter, because most of the things which I review, I just want to sell them. So for example, these KZ80 earphones, which cost around $15, so around 500 rupees. There is no 600 to 700 rupees. I use this. These are awesome, but how many earphones will I keep, man? I already have 6 to 7 earphones, so I need to sell them. So if any one of you guys is interested in buying earphones or phones which I have, maybe I'm not saying this, but earphones, if you are interested in buying earphones which I have reviewed on the channel earlier or which I'm going to review in future, then hit me up on Twitter. Bro, MI5, when is it coming to your channel? I don't know when is it coming to my channel. Maybe after 6th to 7th or 8th, after I buy on 6th. It will come after 6. AM Tech is asking, are they going to sell a Redmi Note 3 in open sales after 2 or 3 months? Yes, they have to sell in open sale, because till then Eureka 2 will be coming. Yes, Eureka 2, and Lenovo will also come up with some other device, most hopefully some Snapdragon variant of 652. If they come with that, then they will have to do that. Is Gear VR best than Google Cardboard? Both are almost similar. I won't say that those are better or something like that. Best tempered glass and back cover for MI Note 3. I have not used any back cover as of now, but I will be using some back covers in future, so I'll let you know about that. Why are you talking about movie? Harsh Shah is asking about that. Why are you talking about movie? Which movie? Oh, Batman vs Superman, because someone asked about that. So that's why. And it's just, yeah, and guys, it's not just about tech Q&A. We can talk something off topic, just a little bit, not completely off topic, just because to make this a good thing. And I am not going to answer any Redmi Note 3 questions in this live tech Q&A as of now, because I have talked too much about that. Moto G 2013, very good condition for 2500 rupees, worth it. 2500, very good condition, obviously worth it, just buy it. Yeah. Suggest a camera for starting YouTube channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you don't need any specific camera. You can just use the camera on your smartphone. Like if you have Redmi Note 3, then you can use the camera on Redmi Note 3 or OnePlus X or any device that you have. Just start off with that, and once you are sure that you want to do YouTube videos, or you can continue doing this, then you can invest in some other camera, like buying a DSLR worth 25,000 or 30,000. You can do that also. But if you are going to start right now, then just start off with any camera that you have at your house. It can be any point and shoot camera or a smartphone camera also. OnePlus 2 or MI5? That's the question I have answered already. So Faraz Khan is saying there is a lizard on your wall, and there is no lizard on my wall. I'm 110% sure, because I have not seen any type of lizard in this house for 7 years. Clean house, you know. Good going, bro. Live streaming. Sahil Pedamkar is saying, oh hi bro, how are you? Great. So Sahil is my neighbor, or he lives in my building. We play together. Aren't you reviewing S7? Raghul is asking this question. I am not reviewing S7 because I do not have money to buy S7. It's freaking 50,000 rupees, man. I don't have that much money. Are you getting Oppo 3 for review or OnePlus 3 for review? No, I am not getting. That was the April Fool's tweet. I am not getting OnePlus 3. Lakhan Ojha is saying, who inspires you to do YouTube? Oh, maybe who inspired me to do YouTube? You can say MKBHD or many other channels also. And one of the most important thing is that I started doing root videos because I wanted to do those, and I wanted to everyone know that you can do this. Then I did some MI Flash tools ka unbricking video, because there was no good video which can help me to unbrick my MI3. So what I did, I went through a lot of articles, and I realized that this is the best method that you can use. Then I made a video on that, and boom, that was a very good video. You should check it out. Does your family support for your YouTube? Yes, buy Redmi Note 3. Harsh Shah is saying, can you also do movie reviews? Maybe not as of now. I have few other plans also. So Shubham Lokhande is asking one of the questions which I wanted to answer. Do you think that price for MI5 justified in India? I don't think so. It's justified. For 32GB variant, they should have been charging around 21,000 or 22,000 maximum, because we are getting 64GB OnePlus 2 at 23,000. So obviously I wanted it to be around 21,000. So Sarthak Harshe is saying he has flashed Marshmallow on OnePlus 2 and it's working super fast. Gayan Raja, will CodePad Note 3 best budget smartphone? I would say it's a good budget smartphone, may not be the best budget smartphone. I have not tested it thoroughly, or I have not used it as of now. Cyanogen Mod ROM is best for Redmi 2 Prime for performance. Yes, it is very good. But yeah, Cyanogen Mod for Redmi Note 2. AM Tech has asked some question, and for that question, hit me up on Twitter. When OnePlus One gets Marshmallow update, you can just think about it. Maybe in next month. Show your new camera, Canon camera. Okay, just a second. Please bro, tell me about MI In-Ear Pro. What is hybrid dual sound? Please reply. Okay, so I have used the, what you can say, these earphones, hybrid dual, and you will be shocked to know that I am using these earphones, the hybrid dual, or what you even call it, the pro earphones. I am using these earphones from last 2 months, or I have tested them 2 months back already, and I haven't yet reviewed them. So the sound quality is good. I won't say that's bad. Bass is good, but overall sound signature is not as crisp as other earphones that I have tested. Like even the MI Pistons 3 is overall what you can say, overall balanced, whereas when it comes to dual hybrid earphones, those are bass heavy. So that's the difference between those two. Show new camera. Okay, so here is the new camera, and this is the Canon 700D, and it is very heavy. It is with a 18 to 135mm lens, which you can see over here right now. So this is a very large lens. If I just do like this, it comes out, it goes back, it comes out, it goes back, it comes out. So this is a new camera. Very good camera in my opinion. Worth it. The quality has increased a lot, and even the bokeh has increased. Pranit Mhatre is asking, would you prefer 16K display on your desktop or 8K display on your phone? I won't prefer any of those because cost will be very high. You don't need 16K display on your desktop because even 2K display or 4K display will be more than enough. 8K display on phone is more or less useless. I would prefer 1080p or 2K display, maximum of 2K display on my phone. Abdul is asking, can you review JBL 280A? As of now, I do not have any plans of reviewing new earphones. I have already around 6 earphones laying around in my house, or more than that, which are yet to be reviewed. And VR में स्क्रीन ब्लर हो रही है, HD वीडियो में भी क्या सभी में ये प्रॉब्लम है? Yes, Lucky Gupta is yes Lucky, this problem is present in all the smartphones, and that is because the resolution of the device that we have over here is 1080p, but when we are watching through the VR headset, that is amplified, so all the pixels are amplified, and that is the reason why if you have a 2K display phone or a 4K display phone, it's better with the headset, and that is why Galaxy S7 or S6 with 2K display is better for watching VR videos. According to you, which is phone having best camera? So maybe MI5 after I get it, or as of now I have tested OnePlus 2 had one of the best camera that I have reviewed on my channel. Oh my god. So I have just went into the last question, so if I have not answered your question, ask them once again. Are you going to flagship MI5? Yes, I am going to get the MI5. 10,000 rupees under best phones. Under 10,000 rupees, I would say you can go with L11s for 11,000 rupees, or you can go with the best model of Redmi Note 3. What do you think of Samsung J7? It's a pretty good device, and if you are someone who wants to buy only Samsung device, then J7 is very great. Do you think it is possible for tech YouTube videos to come in the YouTube trending section in India? Pranit Mhatre has asked this question, and it seems really difficult for tech videos to be in the what you can say, trending section. Really difficult. MI5 black color कब launch होगा? Next week में, next second cell में launch होगा. Is this right time to buy 4K TV? Yes, extremely good. No, not the best time to buy 4K TV, at least in India, just because the prices are not that great, or prices are still on the higher side. Does Redmi Note 3 support fast charging? It only support fast charging, which is very slow. So even though the problem with the Redmi Note 3 is that it charges really slow, but the battery drains very slow also. So that's kind of compensated. That's why I prefer the Redmi Note 3 over other phones. I'm just putting the Redmi Note 3 on charge. Is Redmi Note 3 getting Marshmallow? Yes, it will get Marshmallow update pretty soon. Give me best earphone under 1k or less. Taha is asking this question. You can buy MI Pistons 3 for less than 1k, which is 999. What do you prefer, a debrand skin or a case over a phone? I prefer case. Why don't you go at launch events? I was going to go for the MI5 launch event, but it was like very far from my home, like in Delhi, and I had some project work, so that's why I couldn't go over there. But next year I will be going. What's your age? My age is 21 as of now. Sir, how can we make logo with software? You can make logo with Photoshop, or you can use that, oh shit, I forgot that software name. But you can use it through Photoshop or some other Xiaomi, or not Xiaomi, come on. Not Xiaomi, Adobe product. Would you continue reviewing PC games? Enjoyed your Outlast video. Oh my god, that's great. I might be doing that. Let's hope. J3, your thoughts? Don't ask question about Samsung Galaxy J3. Come on, is that the question? What about Samsung Grand Prime? A pretty old device. I won't say that you should buy that device now. Xiaomi had launched a smart TV Xiaomi is not launching smart TV anytime soon in India. Sahil Pedamkar is asking, when will you review another brands other than me? So yes, I have reviewed other brands on my channel also, like Asus, OnePlus, some Samsung phones, then LETV. Then I have reviewed, I don't remember exactly, Lenovo phones. Yes, Lenovo phones. I have reviewed most of the phones. It's just that Xiaomi phone offers best budget or best price for best performance for your price. So that's why I review Xiaomi phones. Just remember the NFS Most Wanted gameplay of yours. So yeah, that was quite nice. Which is the best phone available in Indian market right now? Depends on your budget. You're missing the match. By the way, what are your expectations, West Indies or England? I'm pretty much sure that West Indies is going to win. Would you get to YouTube FanFest if you have 10 million subscribers? If I have 10 million subscribers, then I will go if they ask me to come. CX180 or MI Pistons 3 versus 88 CLR, which one is better, bro? Nandan Sood is asking this question, bro. I have reviewed all these three, or you can check out my MI Pistons 3 review where I have said that yes, those are better than other two, so you can go with those. GTA 5 gameplay, your experience? I have not played GTA 5 yet. That's quite surprising, but yeah. Best budget, best heavy earphones, best bass heavy earphones. Sony earphones, I don't remember the name exactly, Sony XB30, but you will get bass, but you will have to sacrifice on what you can say, overall sound quality. Overall sound quality won't be that great. Any plans on importing MITV and reviewing it? Sort of. I am not importing it, but my friend is importing it. Best Bluetooth speaker under 6,000 rupees. Oh my god. Frankly speaking, I don't know Vasu as of now, but best speaker. No, I have no idea as of now, so I won't be able to answer your question. Do you have 6 packs? No, I don't. Any upcoming U phones? Yes, Eureka 2 will be coming soon. So, can you suggest me best camera APK? Most probably your stock camera APK. And guys, I will be ending this live tech Q&A. It's almost 30 minutes, 29.7 minutes as of now, 29.9. So yes, I will be ending this tech Q&A little bit early today this time, just because I have some project work and my project colleagues are over there sitting inside there, and we have to do some work because our project competition is on Tuesday in my college, which is Vidyalankar Institute of Technology at Vadala. So if you want to meet me, then you can meet me over there, Vidyalankar College of Engineering at Vada on Tuesday. So yes, I will be having, just make sure that you bring your college ID in order to get into the college. So once you have the college ID, it's pretty much cool, and I will be over there inside. My project will be there. I will tweet about my some details. If you guys are interested to meet up in the college, then don't forget to come over there, and don't forget to come to my project only first and give 5-star rating. So should I buy 1080p 55-inch TV for gaming? Please suggest an affordable TV with low input lag. There is one LG TV which is available for 40,000, which is 4K. So you can check that out. Audio Technica, is Audio Technica ATS CLR 100 bad? No, it is not at all bad. Ankit Pawar is saying thanks for ignoring my comments. There, you were a little late, bro, this time. But I answer your so many questions. I answer so many of your questions, so that's why. And guys, do you really do teamwork in project? Yes, we do teamwork in project. Right now, we all three are sitting over here, a group of 4, but we 3 are working right now on the project. It's almost complete, and we have to complete it anyhow. And I will be making video on that project, which is fantastic project, and you guys can also do that project at your home, and you guys can use it. Video will be coming soon for that, maybe in 2 months or 1 month. Pretty easy and pretty great project, and less than 10,000 rupees. What's your camera name, bro? 700D with stock, or the lens that we get from Canon, that is 18 to 135mm lens. Logitech X50 or X100, maybe X100, because those are a little better. I guess so. So guys, I will be ending this live tech Q&A maybe. So yes, I am going to end it right now. Let's take your Viva. No Viva this time, bro. You are a little late. Make sure to tune in next Sunday, where my live tech Q&A will go. Promote my tech channel. Aman is asking this question, bro. I promote channels which are uploading continuously, or which are uploading content continuously for last 6 months. I will promote your channel. Not how can I promote? I will share your channel. I think 1 hour is sufficient. What's your project? 1 hour is sufficient, yes, bro, but I have some work today, so that's why I will be ending this live tech Q&A today, guys. So stop asking questions. Do you think it's worth it? So 700D is worth it, Venkat. What's your project? Smart mirror. Best phone at 8K, please. Best phone at 8K. It's a little difficult as of now, but Lenovo 5K5 Plus seems to be a good device. Review for that may be coming soon. Can you please suggest me best suggestion for a Moto E 2015 3G version? Search on XDA for that. How much you got from YouTube? No money related questions will be answered over here. At least no money related questions of YouTube. Do you smoke? No, I don't smoke. I don't smoke. Rook. Okay, Nilkant is saying Rook. Okay, I'm waiting for your question only. After that, I will be ending this live tech Q&A. Can you dance? One move for dance. I cannot dance, so I do not need to show you my moves, right? Woo! I can dance basically. Nilkant is asking why X100. I have not used X100 as of now. I just said X100 because those look a little better maybe, but I have not tested any of those, so I won't say that buy those. Better, I would say suggest you to buy these Xiaomi Bluetooth speakers, which I have reviewed on the channel. Amazing speakers for the price. So at 2000 rupees you can get, that's one of the best speaker that you can get. What do you think about MRTV? It's a great device, but not launching in India anytime soon. So guys, I will have to go for the project work. I was going to do it for around half an hour or 30 minutes, and it's almost 35 minutes right now. So Guys, which encoder do you use for YouTube live streaming? OBS, or you can say open broadcast software maybe. I hope I'm not wrong about that. Reply karna bro, any other camera other than 700D, depends on your budget. You can buy 600D, 1200D, not 1200D, so don't buy that. Your friends are waiting for you. Yes bro, my friends are waiting for you. So one final question, MI headphones for the 299 version, what's your opinion? Those headphones sound good for what you can say 300 rupees price, but 40% of the earphones which my friends have bought have stopped working. Like one of the earpiece has stopped working, so be careful about that also. For the 300 rupees variant, better to invest 200 rupees or 300 rupees extra and buy good one for 500 or 600 rupees. So yeah, this is it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this stream, and if you missed it or if you were not live, then you can check out next live tech Q&A on next Sunday, which will be on 10th of which month is going on right now, maybe April. Yeah, 10th of April. So yeah, this is it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you all for subscribing or to tuning in for today's live tech Q&A. And guys, if you have not subscribed already, then do hit that subscribe button. So yeah, bye guys, thank you for watching.